Hi, welcome to another new video, and in this video we are going to show you how to integrate WhatsApp account or WhatsApp button in your website. First of all, you can see we are landed in our editor panel in Wix Store, and right now we want to integrate our WhatsApp button in here so we can communicate our customer through WhatsApp. First of all, you need to go on a third panel website. It's named Alp site. You can search here and this way, and they will give you the option website 80 plus website widget. Just click over here, and when you will visit the website they will ask for create an account. Also, I will share the link in the description. Just check the description, you will find out. So you need to create an account once you visit the place. So I already did complete an account, so I will just visit on widget option. Just click over here and they will give me all the widget. So they told us to explore our widgets, so I don't need, I know what I need particular thing. So I will search WhatsApp and they will give me suggestion here, and I found out my desired widget in here, WhatsApp chat. Just click over here and you can see we are in the option where we can create widget for free. Just click here again and you will have the option to create a widget here. So you can see we already have an existing WhatsApp theme, so we will continue with this template. Just click here and just paste a valid WhatsApp number. Right now I am giving a random number here to connect with my website. So click add to website for free, and then it will be take a while, then it will be created successfully. When it will be connected successfully, just click the close button, and once you click the close button it will be redirect you to the WhatsApp chat panel. As you can see, the last modify was just now, and click on the install button. Once you click on the install, they will give you the HTML code here, so you need to copy the code and paste in your website. So first of all, you need to go in the add element option and all the way scroll down and you will find out embedded code. Once you click on the embedded code option, you will find out popular embedded option. Just click here and you will find out three options. In here you can choose any one you want. So I will choose embedded HTML. Just click over here and they give the option to paste our HTML code. I will just paste here and click on the update, and boom, you can see our WhatsApp button has been come over here. We will just resize our WhatsApp button so we can see it perfectly. So I will locate it in here and let's click on the publish and let's see what really happened with our WhatsApp button done. So let's click on the preview to saw the result. So you can see our WhatsApp button has been added or integrate to our website. Just click over here and you can see we have the options. Whenever a customer will click chat on WhatsApp, they can easily communicate with you through WhatsApp. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you found out this video is really helpful, then don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.